In today's video, I'll show you how to deactivate your Roblox account. If you're taking a break from Roblox or just don't want to use your account for a while, this video will show you exactly what to do. So let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your device. Then, make sure you're signed in to the Roblox account that you want to deactivate. Once you're signed in, tap the three-line menu in the top left corner of the screen. Now, tap Settings. On the Settings page, tap Privacy and Content Restrictions. Next, tap Account Deactivation and Deletion. Here, you'll find the Deactivate Account option. Tap Deactivate, then tap Deactivate once again to confirm. Now Roblox will ask you to verify your identity. You may need to enter your account password or use the verification code sent to your email. After that, tap Verify. Wait a few moments while Roblox processes your request. And that's it. Your Roblox account has been deactivated successfully. If you ever change your mind, you can reactivate your account anytime. Just log back in with your username and password, then tap Reactivate to restore your account. And that's how you can deactivate a Roblox account. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.